Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 22, Nutrition in Animals. In this worksheet we will discuss about tooth decay. If we don't clean our teeth and mouth after eating, many harmful bacteria also begins to live, and these bacteria break down the sugar present from the leftover food and release acid. What happens if we don't rinse our mouth after eating? Many harmful bacteria develop in our mouth, and these bacteria break down the sugar present in the leftover food particles and release acid. This acid damages the teeth, and this is called tooth decay. Chocolate, sweets, soft drinks, and other sugar products are major culprits of tooth decay. Tooth decay के लिए मेजरली कौन से फूड आइटम्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल हैं? चॉकलेट, स्वीट, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स एक्सेट्रा. Now these are the picture of tooth is given to you. In first picture normal tooth is there. In second, acid attacked on the enamel of the teeth. Enamel क्या होता है बच्चों? Enamel is the outermost covering of the teeth. And in third picture and fourth picture, cavity is made by the bacteria. So this is the process of tooth decaying. Now note is given to you. What note is given to you? If tooth decay is not treated in time, it causes severe toothache and in extreme cases results in tooth loss. If we don't take treatment in time of tooth decaying, it causes severe toothache. क्या करता है ये? हमें severe पेन करता है, दांत में toothache होता है, and in extreme cases result in tooth loss. एक्सट्रीम केसेस में क्या हो जाता है? हमारा दांत टूट जाता है. There are some ways through which we can protect our teeth from decay. First, clean the teeth with brush at least twice a day. Second, rinse your mouth after every meal. Third, we should not put dirty fingers or any other object in the mouth. Now we will discuss question answer. Your first question is, what happens if tooth decay is not treated in time? If tooth decay is not treated in time, it causes severe toothache and in extreme cases results in tooth loss. Second question, what will happen to your teeth if you don't brush your teeth regularly? If you don't brush your teeth regularly, the harmful bacteria will be developed in our mouth, and these bacteria will break down the sugar present in leftover food particles and will release acid, and this acid will damage the teeth. Next question, write 2 ways, not says, write 2 ways to protect teeth from tooth decay. Answer, you can write any 2 ways for protecting the teeth. First one is clean the teeth with brush at least twice a day, or rinse our mouth after every meal, or rinse your mouth after every meal. And you can write, you should not put dirty finger or any other object in the mouth. So you can write any 2. Thanks for watching.